Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not coming on iPhone. So let's start the video without any delay. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb. To turn off Do Not Disturb, open the control center on your iPhone. Then tap on focus icon you can see in middle of the screen. Here you make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. Solution 2. Refresh your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open the setting application. Then tap the toggle next to airplane mode option to turn it on. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back off. Now you select Wi-Fi. Here turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. Now you go back to the previous menu. After that you need to select cellular data. Here turn off cellular data. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. After that you need to tap on cellular data option. Here you can see voice and data. Then tap on it. And select the LTE option. Solution 3. Check your iMessage setting. Open the setting application. Now scroll down to see apps and then tap on it. Now scroll down to find message and then tap on it. Here turn off iMessage. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. You can see notification. Tap on it. You will see toggle next to allow notification. Turn it to on. Next, check the boxes for lock screen, notification center and banners. Solution 4. Turn on WhatsApp under the background app refresh. Open the setting application. Then you go to general menu. Now scroll down to see background app refresh and then tap on it. Tap on background app refresh again. Here you need to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and make sure WhatsApp is turned on.